Cats a la Chamba. Thank you. Medyo malaki aking gagawin ngayon. Pero hindi siya... Ang laki. Oh my God. Ang laki ng butterfly. So... Hi Delia, hi guys everyone. I'm just up and on. Just started a while ago, Natalia, and this is my new painting, my new design. This is a 30 by 30 centimeter. So I think this is very easy compared with my other diamond painting. Ang laki niya, but beads are not that so all I need is put some beads inside the butterfly design, but the usual design depends on all the canvas color. But it looks so good. Brother Bear, ayan. I'm done with the baby tiger and meron ng may-ari. Sabay ganun. I need more space because this is too big. So I'm gonna start here at the bottom. Ang laki niya. Uy, sis Delia Tsurusaki. Thank you, Brother Bear. Ang laki niya and marami siyang different design, different shape ng beads. So, let's start at the bottom. Maganda yung beads niya kasi makintab, malalaki. So dito ako magi-start guys sa ano ba yan? Napatay ko na naman yung camera guys, teka lang.